Hi everyone, my name is John Harvey B. Visconde, and today I want to share how globalization affects my life. Globalization means the world is more connected, and I feel this in many ways every day. One positive effects of globalization in my life is that I can easily access information from around the world. Because of the internet, I can watch YouTube tutorials made by teachers from different countries, and this helps me understand my school lessons better. It makes learning easier and gives me more knowledge than what I only get from the classroom. However, globalization also has negative effects. One negative effects is that it can cause people to forget their own culture. Many of us, including me, sometimes follow foreign trends in music, fashion, and lifestyle. Because of that, we sometimes know more about international artists and brands that our own local tradition and products. This show how global culture can slowly replace our Filipino culture if we are not careful. For me, globalization should be managed by keeping a balance. We can enjoy global trends and learn from other countries, but we should also support our own culture, product of tradition. If we use globalization wisely, it can help us grow without losing our identity. Thank you.